Okay, so today is going to be a continuation of what we've been working on, major and minor thirds. We've done a video where we've gone up, we've done a video where we've gone down, and today's the big day where we're going to mush them all together. So you're going to have 4 options for every different interval that I play. It's either going to be, and you have to identify both parts of it. So you have to identify if it's major or minor, and you have to identify if it's going up or down. Okay, so if I play this interval, you would say major third ascending. And if I played this interval, you would say minor third descending. Okay, so again, since we have more choices, I'll leave a little bit of extra space in between each performance of it, so you have time to actually think it through. Remember the songs, and remember when we're going backwards, you just flip the song, so take a little extra time to do that additional calculation. All right, here we go. That is a minor third ascending. That is a minor third descending. That is a major third descending. That is a minor third ascending. That is a major third ascending. That's a major third descending. That is a minor third descending. That's a major third ascending. That's a minor third descending. That's a major third descending. 2 more. That's a minor third ascending. That's a major third ascending.